The route's loaded. 63k, 1,000 meters of climbing into the maps, and I'm heading over here. So this will be a long spin. This is probably about 4 hours. It says 3.5, something like that, but probably 4, because I'm going to stop and take some photographs and do some footage of me cycling past the camera or to the camera. This is my 5th day of riding. I've been doing 2.5 to 3 hours a day. Great place for riding. I'll actually come here for a bikepacking holiday. It's fantastic. So what I'm doing is going to go up to Soiree, take a right, head up over the highest climb. I think it's 800 meters. Descend down onto the coast road, and then pretty much right in. So there's nothing other than roads. There's no cafes, there's no shops, there's no nothing. So it's been a long time since I was on a 4-hour route with nothing. So I brought everything with me. So I've got 2 bananas, a bottle of water. There should be some springs up here if I run out. And just enjoy the day. Right, let's go. So this is the first climb of the day, and it's very much like a cross between Ireland and Portugal, and all the pluses. So it's got the weather of Portugal. I am getting out early, so change gear. So there's no wind in the mornings here. Not too hot, 23 degrees, and it's beautiful. So it looks like Kerry, the west. It looks like blackberry bushes, ferns, and then you still got olive trees and other trees from Portugal. But it's lovely. Climbs are nice, and I'm going straight up to the top of this. What I will say about this Wahoo thing, the GPS on it, the best thing it's for is descending, because I've lost me mojo on descending. Don't take as many risks, but because I haven't been on this road before, it gives me the road, and if there's a strong bend, sometimes you go around the corner and think that's not too bad, and then as you get around, it goes pretty sharp. It's too much speed. Whereas with this, I know it's coming up, and it's brilliant. So I think another 5k climbing until we get to the other side. Even the wasp is having some water. Put a little filter on. As pure as it gets. Tastes like horseshit. I ain't gonna lie, it doesn't taste too good. Anyway, I got a filter on it, so it should be alright. But that first bit might kill me. Village called Maggiore. Came here yesterday, so decided to stop today. I mean, look at it, it's stunning, absolutely stunning. It's quiet with a few crows. Shut up. If that descent didn't seem too fast, it's because I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to come down at the same time. I think I clicked about 60, 62, 63 coming down there. But the cars that went by complaining about me being on the road obviously can't go as fast. But this bike here, it's not really made for, it's a city bike, but it's good. It's good. It's got big fat tires on it. Getting the hang of it, letting ascend in it a little bit more now. So we're heading over this way. And let's see what page we're on here. Elevation. We've climbed 443 meters, and then you can see what's coming up. So it's fairly flat for a while. And there's the route. I'm enjoying it. 1 hour in. 1 hour in. Now, if you're ever going to do any more than 2.5 hour spins, like this is going to be 3.5 hours. Start eating after about an hour 15. So I've a banana here, so I'm going to have half a banana every half hour. So that's my top tip for today. Half a banana every half hour. Hours 30, 60 kilometers, 824 meters of elevation. Good ride all the same. Enjoy that. Right, let me get some food in the supermarché before I get the knock.